In this video, I want to share with you why I refuse to buy Dogecoin and why I also think if this radical price movement continues, a major negative impact on the entire crypto industry will occur. Welcome back, crypto fiends. Thank you as always for tuning in. If you are new here, which 85% of you are, consider subscribing and turning on post notifications so you can stay up to date on the latest and greatest in the cryptocurrency space. And don't forget to leave a like and comment on the video so you can be entered in for your chance to win a Ledger Nano S. I will be announcing the next winner this Saturday coming up, and we only have 4 more to give away, so make sure you enter on in. This video is sponsored by NFFT, the next evolution of NFTs. We will be touching more on them later on in the video. Okay, so why am I being so salty against the Doge? Is it because I own none and it's been the best performing major crypto for the past 12 months? That's 1% of it, but 99% of it is to the simple factor that I've matured as a crypto investor over the past 3 years and don't put my money into just anything that moves. Although I do like a good meme just as much as the next guy, at the end of the day I prioritize fundamentals and tokenomics over technicals and memes, and that's what I've continued to preach on my channel for the past 3 years now. If you want to make it big in crypto and stay big, then you need to strive for stable and long-term financial growth. And I know it's not as enticing as a quick buck, but do remember, if you have that mentality of trying to get rich quick, you will most certainly lose it all. Now, I don't want anyone to think this video is all just about attacking those that have bought Dogecoin over the past couple months. I just want to simply explain to you my view on this thing, where I could see this really going, and what you can expect as a long-term investor in Dogecoin if you plan to hold till $10 like some of these ludicrous people out there. At the end of the day, you really need to know when to call it quits and take your profits elsewhere with Dogecoin, because again, it's great making some quick money, but this might not last forever. And that goes for any extremely speculative crypto with no current utility, major partners, or financial backing. Investing in an actual company with a team and enterprise clients behind it will most likely not be going anywhere anytime soon, and will prove over time to be a more reliable investment. Now, to fully understand my take on why I refuse to invest in Dogecoin, let's get some perspective by going back in time to where it all started. Launched in 2013, making it one of the oldest cryptos to date, Dogecoin was invented by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Originally created as a joke, Billy and Jackson wanted Dogecoin to be a peer-to-peer digital currency which could amass a broader demographic than Bitcoin. On December 9th, just 3 days after launch, Dogecoin's value jumped over 300%, starting off what no one knew at the time would lead to the major success it is today. When comparing Dogecoin to Bitcoin, they are quite similar when it comes down to the code, but one major difference between the two is the token supply and block generation. Dogecoin takes the upper hand in terms of inflation and has no maximum limit. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is deflationary, as it has a maximum supply limit of 21 million, and its block reward reduces every 4 years, which makes it extremely enticing as a store of value for many. In the mining process of Bitcoin, miners solve a block every 10 minutes and currently produce 6.25 BTC, which is cut in half every 4 years. Whereas in the case with Dogecoins, they solve a block in only 1 minute, producing 10,000 Dogecoins, or roughly 5 billion coins per year, for life. Yes, till the end of time. That means just to retain Dogecoin's current price of 30 cents, someone would have to buy at least $3,000 worth of Doge every single minute, which at the end of the day is not sustainable in itself. Another major reason as to why I refuse to jump on the Doge train is because this recent rise to 45 cents is a major catalyst for regulators to step in and make the crypto space extremely unfriendly. And that's the last thing we want, all because a meme coin got too big. Also, do remember that the majority of retail investors emptying their bank accounts for Dogecoin right now are most likely investing in crypto for the first time ever via Robinhood, Coinbase, or even Crypto.com. And the reality is, most don't even know what they're buying and will get dumped on or lose it all, which will lead to them assuming that the entire crypto industry is tainted and stay away forever, if not a long time. Overall, it's just a bad look for the crypto industry, and it's also not fair to the industry leaders that have invested their lives into blockchain and crypto. Maybe I'm exaggerating just a little bit, but at the end of the day, I have a very strong feeling a lot of this is going to be coming true. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of Cardano, said it best.
Doge has always been, for our industry, kind of an inside joke, a pet rock, a fun, mocking cryptocurrency, lighthearted thing. And it just always seems to be around, but it's something we, for the most part, have never taken seriously. Recently, due to the efforts of Elon Musk principally, and market manipulation by clever whales, Doge has become stratospheric and has become a haven for new entrants into the cryptocurrency space. Let's be very clear. This is a bubble. The price of Doge is not sustainable. It's going to collapse, and a massive amount of retail money is going to be lost very quickly.
And the one thing that is quite mind-blowing and is quite often ignored is the fact that 46% of all Dogecoins in existence are held by 11 wallets. You heard that correct. With the largest wallet owning 29% of the entire supply of Dogecoin, which is roughly $11 billion worth. Whom is the owner of all this Doge? Is it an individual, maybe an exchange? We may never know, but what I do know is that they control too much of the market share for me to sleep easy at night, knowing I could wake up to a massive sell-off. At the end of the day, I think it's safe to say anyone would have invested in Dogecoin even a few months ago if they knew where it was going to be today. But will it keep going and surpass $1, making Dogecoin the third largest crypto in the world? I highly doubt it, but at the end of the day, that is my opinion. But if it does, be prepared for a rude awakening from Uncle Sam and the rest of government regulators around the world. So, what are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Are you all in, or are you avoiding it at all costs? Do you think I have valid points, or am I a complete idiot that doesn't know what he's talking about? Let me know in the comments section below. Next up, I want to share with you NFFT. Non-fungible fillable tokens are a special type of NFT that allows the end user to fill their block with any image or artwork. The owner of each NFFT can also set a URL for the end user to click on. When you click on the block, it will direct the user to that URL. Although not live yet, here's what the NFFT page will look like. As a decentralized group of creators of the NFFT blockverse, the only limitation is the creativity of the community to decide the blockverse's fate. NFFT is currently selling 9,112 completely customizable blocks operated and owned by the community, allowing anyone to fill in their part of the NFFT blockverse in any way they see fit. With less than 24 hours left to get involved, be sure to check out nfft.com if you're interested in joining into the next evolution of NFTs. If you found this video informative and want to see more like this, let me know by leaving a like on the video. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.